Hey everyone, welcome to Tokyo. If you just landed at Haneda Airport and want a comfortable, stress-free ride directly to your hotel or major Tokyo hubs like Shinjuku or Tokyo Station, the Airport Limousine Bus is a fantastic choice. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. Once you clear customs and enter the arrival lobby, look for the bright orange signs for the Airport Limousine Bus. You'll find both automated ticket vending machines and staff ticket counters right near the exit gates. Buying a ticket is simple. The machines have full English language options. Just select your destination, choose your preferred departure time, and pay using credit cards, cash, or Japanese IC cards like Suica or Pasmo.
Please choose the number. Please choose your preferred bus. Please confirm your request and touch confirm. Please choose a payment method. Please insert your credit card.
IC card?
Please touch the sensor with your IC card.
So we couldn't do it with the credit card for whatever reason, so we're gonna
Because
pay
that's for a pin, but we're gonna try the Suica.
We are issuing your ticket.
There you go.
Please wait for a while.
zero.
Nice.
Yeah,
Getting our ticket
We are
now.
issuing your ticket. Please wait. Thank you very much. Please take your ticket.
There's 2 tickets. Don't forget to grab your physical ticket and luggage tag. Alright, let's go. On our way. At the bus stop, the staff will tag your large luggage and load it into the lower compartment for you. Keep your ticket handy for boarding, find your seat, relax, and enjoy the smooth ride into the city. We would love to hear from you. What's your go-to way to get into Tokyo when you land? Train, bus, or taxi? Let us know down in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. It helps us a lot and encourages us to continue making videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our next video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button. It helps us a lot. We share helpful travel guides and practical tips to help you plan your next trip. If you have any questions about traveling to Japan, feel free to drop them below in the comments and we'll check them out. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video.